Hello, this is Korea Used Car. This video was prepared for our international buyers and features a sample Kia K7 vehicle. Please note that this specific vehicle has already been sold. The purpose of this video is to show the level of quality we maintain when exporting used cars. As you can see from the front view, the bumper and headlights are free of scratches and well maintained. The overall body lines are smooth and intact, and the sleek black exterior gives it a premium look. There's a minor scratch above the front left wheel, likely caused by light contact. The paint is slightly chipped, but it has no impact on driving performance. The rest of the driver's side doors and panels are in excellent condition with no visible damage. The exterior is very well maintained, making this vehicle suitable for export without any additional repairs. The rear of the vehicle is also in very clean condition. There is a small dent on the lower part of the rear bumper on the passenger side. It looks like a typical parking-related mark and doesn't affect the vehicle's structural integrity. All front lights, including headlights and fog lamps, are in perfect working condition. There are no cracks or gaps, and the assembly is securely mounted. This part shows our team measuring the vehicle's paint thickness and metal panel depth using specialized tools. At Korea Used Car, we don't just rely on visual inspections to assess quality. We use digital gauges to verify whether the car has any accident or repaint history. If the readings fall outside standard ranges, it could indicate past damage or repairs. However, this K7 shows readings consistent with factory original paint. No signs of repainting, meaning the vehicle has retained its original finish. We perform both visual and technical inspections to ensure reliability. We never judge a car just by how clean it looks. We measure the real quality. Korea Used Car doesn't rely on vague claims like accident-free. We prove it with data and detailed testing. All cars that pass this level of inspection are exported with confidence. Our international buyers are consistently satisfied with the condition of the vehicles they receive. You can trust the quality of our used cars. That's the Korea Used Car standard. The trunk offers a spacious and deep storage area. Interior panels and trunk mats are clean and intact. The passenger seat shows minimal signs of use and retains strong cushioning. There are no stains, tears, or defects. All seat adjustment buttons function normally. This provides a comfortable ride for any front passenger. The rear passenger seat on the right side is also in excellent condition. The seat fabric and floor mats are clean, and all buttons and armrests work properly. It's a comfortable and well-maintained interior space. The left rear seat, located behind the driver, is clean and well kept. The door trim and control buttons are all functioning as intended. The interior reflects the owner's good care and attention to cleanliness. The driver's seat area is in very good condition overall. The instrument panel is clear, and all gauges and indicators function correctly. The gear shift operates smoothly. The rear-view camera and electric rear sunshade have been tested and work without issue. Additionally, a black box dashcam is installed, providing real-time recording while driving. Now, we open the hood to inspect the engine compartment. The engine bay is clean, with no signs of oil leakage. Cables and connectors are intact and properly organized. This engine has been tested for both high-speed stability and long-term durability. The bolts and mount points inside the engine compartment show no signs of tampering. Everything is in its original, factory-tightened condition. The engine runs quietly and consistently. All belts and engine components are in good working order. The vehicle shown in this video has already been sold. However, it serves as an example of the quality you can expect when working with Korea Used Car. If you're looking to purchase reliable, high-quality used cars for export, please contact us anytime. Korea Used Car, trusted quality, delivered globally.